morning, grade 3 pupils. I am Miss Mika Dunyacon, your science teacher. For today's discussion is about characteristics of solids, liquid, and gas. So characteristics of solid, liquid, and gas is all made of matter. But have you noticed that they all look different? Not only that when you touch them, they feel different. Because solid, liquid, and gas are different states of matter. That also means they have different characteristics. So what are the solid, liquid, and gas and their characteristics? So first is solid. So solid has a definite shape and volume. If you look at solid objects, they look different from liquid and gas. Example, round wood or circle, blocks, and ball. When you look at them, they have color, they have also certain size and shape. When you touch them, they have different texture and have varying hardness. So another example of solid is roller. So another example is roller. So the solid is have color, size, shape, texture, and hardness. So the color of the roller is white, and the size is long, and the shape is rectangular, and the texture is smooth. When you press it, it is hard. Next is liquid. So, liquid has color, smell, and texture too, but they don't have their own shape. They always take the shape of whatever they're placed in. I have a slime here. This is a some example of liquid is a slime. Everyone loves playing slime, right? Slime can have different colors like red and green. I have two slime here. The color red and green. Also have smell. So some slime smells different from other slime. They also have texture. They're sticky, but they don't have their own shape. That's why when you put them in a square container, it is not square but it is a circle. They just fill in the circle. But when you take them out, they are not square. Try. Oh, there is no shape. If we put them in a circle again, they fill a circle, right? So another example is water. I have a glass and I have a water. If you can transfer the water in a glass, it fills the glass and follows the glass shape. Example, if your glass is shaped like a circle, the water is also shaped like a circle. But then, when you toss the water on the floor, it's not a circle anymore. So, next is gas. So gas has no definite shape and volume. Gas, on the other hand, have no color, taste, or texture. The rare times you do see them, they don't have their own colors. You cannot taste them, and they do not have texture, either since you can hold them in your hands. Like liquids, they have no definite shape and only take the shape whatever they're put into. Let's take a balloon for example. Since when you pump air, which is gas, into a balloon, it grows into this big circular shape not because the shape of the air, but because the balloon is expanding. Itong pagburuto ng balloon mo, expand ang balloon mo dako. When you put water into the balloon, since it doesn't have its own shape either, it is the same as the air-filled balloon. Once again, the different states of matter and their characteristics. The solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas have their own characteristics. So, solid objects have color, size, shape, texture, and hardness. So, liquid is have color, smell, and texture. They don't have their own shape, they only take the container. Gas have no color, taste, texture, and shape. They only take the shape of what they're put in. Gas, do you have a clarification of what are we discussed for today? So since wala mo may pangutana, it's a oral time. Can you identify what are state of matter these objects are in and what their characteristics are? So first, object is cookie. So who wants to answer this? So I call your name. So Agatha, can you state what object and what characteristics are?
Yes, ma'am. A cookie is a solid object. It's a color brown. The size is small. The shape is circular. The texture is powdery. And the hardness is crumbly. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you for your answer, Agatha. Next is ketchup. So, Mikay, what are their object and what characteristics are?
Yes, ma'am. The ketchup, it is a liquid. It is color red, the smell is sweet, and the texture is thick. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, Mikay, for your answer. Since wala ko'y oxygen nga dala, so we must pretend. So, Bordegal, oxygen is what characteristics of the oxygen?
Yes, ma'am. The gas we breathe has no color, no taste, texture, or shape, but it fills our lungs when we inhale and spread all throughout the room when he exhale. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, Bordegal, for your answer. So, class, thank you for your cooperation and participation of our discussion for today. So, see you next Monday. Goodbye,
Thank
class.
you and goodbye, ma'am.